Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making high protein gluten-free bagels. Let's get started. So first step, we'll add 2 cups of gluten-free flour to a large mixing bowl. Next up, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Here we're adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder. We'll stir these dry ingredients together to blend everything. Next, you want to add unflavored Greek yogurt. Here we're adding 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt to our flour mixture. Give that a nice stir. Next, let's add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water just to help all of the components adhere to one another. Now you want your mixture to be quite dry, so don't worry if it's not runny or loose. The idea is that you have a pretty much dry, lumpy mixture, and we'll end up working everything together when we knead our dough by hand or in a stand mixer. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, now that we've rolled our dough into a large tube, we will slice this into 6 pieces, and each piece will be an individual bagel. Next, we'll take each individual piece and use our hands to roll that into a tube shape that'll be about between 5 and 9 inches long, and ultimately we will end up joining the ends of that tube to make our bagel shape. Repeat this step for the other 5 bagels. What's the saying? Measure twice, cut once. Alright, we've melted about a half a cup of butter in the microwave, and now we're brushing the butter onto each bagel to give it that golden, crispy appearance and taste. Here we're adding rosemary to some of our bagels for flavor. The other half of our bagels will be topped with a mix of cheddar and Monterey cheese. And these are my favorite bagels because who doesn't love cheese? Once you've seasoned your bagels, bake them on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. Let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before enjoying.